Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In today's episode, I'm going to uncover for you 5 shocking secrets guitarists don't want you to know. Show reel. Many of us have been misled by the common misconception about guitar playing. We've been told that practice is the only way to get better. Tone, it's all about the amp and your pedals. It's all about gears. It has nothing to do with you. That's fake. Totally fake. Secret number 1. Tone is not just about gear. It's about the player's touch. You can hear the difference between musicians. For example, you have Paul Gilbert, that has a very distinctive sound. Marty Friedman. Very different sound. Yngwie Malmsteen sound, his own choice of scales and vibrato and tone and everything. B.B. King. Eric Clapton. Guys have their own thing going on, and that's a personal thing. If you want to make a difference and you want to be good at it, you gotta check your tone when you're playing. For example, bending. Listen. Try to, what you hear in other players, try to make your own and try to sound like your own, you know? Secret number 2. Music theory is not just for classical musicians. In fact, understanding theory will help you be a better musician in the sense of you can write your own stuff, you can improvise better, and it will help you understand that you're going to be able to differentiate yourself from other musicians. For example, if you want to sound like Yngwie, you do harmonic minor. But if you want to sound like another player, for example, you do pentatonics. So knowing that, if you want to make your own sound, you're going to avoid those things. All right? Secret number 3. Practice is not just about playing scales and arpeggios over and over again. In fact, the most effective practice routines often involve playing along your favorite songs, playing along with other musicians. For example, if you like to jam with other guys, using backing tracks is a good thing too, where you can apply all those hours of practicing. You know, if you're practicing scales all day long and play them in a way, you can practice with a backing track in those, you know, key changes and stuff and apply. It's always good to apply whatever you practice and you learn. All right? Secret number 4. The best guitarists are not just technically proficient. They're also emotionally connected to the music. When you play with passion and feeling, you can move people to tears. This is a very common thing that you hear. Oh, David Gilmour and all that stuff. Or Slash, you know. Slash is a very connected musician. Yngwie, when he's playing Adagio, for example. Or Marty Friedman again. I've been quoting him a lot. You can see it on playing live, that he's very connected. And you can hear it on the albums too. Paul Gilbert, for example, that solo, Nothing But Love. And even when he's playing fast, when all the shred stuff from Racer X, there's a feeling in there too. And you'll be able to hear it. So whatever you do, always try to play with passion. You have to like it. It has to be something that you really love to do. Secret number 5, the biggest secret of all is that the most surprising thing that can drastically change the guitarist's playing style or technique is not what you think is not